Hi hello, welcome back with Mr. Cars. With a name that combines the words magnetic and ignite, this affordable SUV will both attract new fans to the Nissan brand while setting SUV lovers' heart rate soaring. It's also no slouch on the open road either, and is both a great family SUV for those who need an economical option for city traffic, but also a safe and secure SUV for those who enjoy long or short distance family holiday road trips. The Nissan Magnite is powered by an all-new 1.0-liter turbocharged engine that is one of the most powerful in its class. With its spacious interior layout and raised SUV seating, there is ample space for driver and passengers alike. In fact, the rear passenger space offered at the rear of the Magnite Interior is as good as, and in some cases better, than that offered in vehicles one class above. With its bold, fresh new look, the Nissan Magnite Exterior gives off a level of confidence which is unlike any other SUV in this class. It has an agile stance which provides a youthful exuberance which is enhanced by Nissan's new logo and edgy grille. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.